नमस्कार दोस्तों। क्लास 6 की मैथमेटिक्स में आज हम आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग एलिमेंट्री शेप दैट इज एक्सरसाइज 5.9 पर चर्चा करेंगे। और यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आपका फर्स्ट है, मैच द फॉलोइंग। Means here are so many polygons and geometrical shapes are given and their name is also given. Now you will match to each other. Okay, so here is first one is the geometrical shape and the name is cone. कौन अब आपको यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा। आपको पता है द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द कॉन इज आइसक्रीम कॉन। ओके, एंड द कैप joker cap is also the best example of cone. So here you can see that this is the second part, just like that joker cap. So you will match it as by drawing the line. This is the answer of this question. Okay, so you can join it by just like that. After that, for the second part is here given that sphere means this is a round geometrical shape, like that football, like that cricket ball. So this is the fourth number. This is the geometrical shape. Just you can see that this is a just a shape of cricket ball, hockey ball and football. So you will match this sphere to the part number 4 by drawing the line. Okay, so you can like that, just you will draw as such type of the line. Okay, after that next one is the cuboid. Here is the third one, cylinder. So cylinder, this is the geometrical shape which you can see that there are two bottom and top just circular and other parts is just like that. You can see the best example is the electric rod and the pipe, any type of pipe. So this is the best example of the cylinder. So you will match by this, by joining, as you can see that cylinder to this geometrical shape. So this is the answer. After that, for this you can see that here is next one is cuboid. So you cuboid means this is the best example of mathematics book, and the geometrical box is also, and bricks. So you can see that this is the shape. So you can match this by the geometrical shape means cuboid to this one. So you can draw just like that a line by joining this one. So this is the answer of this question. And now last one is here is given that you can see that pyramid. So this last one is option is given that pyramid is this one. So you join this line by joining the pyramid to first one geometrical shape. So this is the answer of this question. So this type you can see that match the answer of the given question. Number 2 is you can see just like that. Yes, of course, this is the second question. What shape is your instrument of box? तो आपके जो बॉक्स का शेप है वो क्या है? कैन यू से? यस, इट इज ए cuboid. So you will write the answer of this question. It is cuboid. After that, a bricks. Next one is a bricks. This is also example of cuboid. So you write the answer of this question is also cuboid. After that, moving for next one, it is a matchbox. So everyone you see the matchbox. This is the shape of again cuboid. You will write the answer of this question is cuboid. Okay, and after this you can see that a road ruler. रोड रूलर मीन्स दोस्तों जो आपका रोड रूलर का व्हील होता है वो आपका किस शेप का होता है? तो दिस जस्ट लाइक द सिलेंडर. तो आपको यहाँ पे आंसर लिखना है दिस इज सिलेंडर. And last one is a sweet laddu. Sweet laddu, this is the example of sphere. So finally you will write the answer of this question as sphere. So there are only two questions in this exercise. I think that all the answer you can understand very well. So dear, now moving for next chapter, that is chapter 6, integers. So let us start here. So dear, I want to tell you that about the integers, and this is the chapter number 6, that is integers. So what are the integers? Once again, try to understand. All the whole numbers with negative and positive sign are called integers. So in the other way we can say that negative and positive whole numbers are known as integers. But keep in your mind that 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay. After that, types of integers. Here we can define negative or positive numbers as the positive integers. What is the positive integers? All the positive numbers are known as positive integers. So you can write that all the positive numbers are called
sir.
Positive integers.
Excuse me, sir.
And positive integers, for example, you can say that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to infinite. These all the numbers are known as positive integers. Okay. After that, second thing is negative integers. What are the negative integers? So this is the second number, negative integers. So you can say here all the negative numbers are known as the negative integers. All the negative numbers are known as.
सर इंटीजर्स की ये डेफिनेशन पूरी नहीं आ रही है.
Negative integers. For example, you can say that the numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, up to so on up to infinite. These all the numbers are known as negative integers. But here is a note for you that 0 is neither negative nor positive. जीरो ना ही नेगेटिव होता है और ना ही पॉजिटिव होता है.